Hello everyone and welcome, as we explore the powerful Creddux Cordless Drill Set for home projects. This versatile tool features dual speed settings to handle wood, metal, and plastic with ease. You get 18 torque settings, plus a dedicated drilling mode for incredible precision and control. The high-capacity battery ensures long run times, so you can finish big jobs without stopping. Its lightweight ergonomic design weighs only 3.5 pounds to help reduce fatigue during work sessions. An internal LED light and integrated level help you work accurately in dark or tight spaces. This 84-piece kit includes a 21-volt drill plus bits and sockets for any task. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.